I should have warned you. Go get the bag of chips. Get them. Go get them. Are you going to go get them? Okay. No backsies. I tried. Oh. Hey guys, Jess here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are already a part of the family, I'd like to thank you very much. However, for those of you that are not yet a part of the family, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. Today, we are going to talk about how to smell good all day while I reveal my hygiene routine right now for summer. So without further ado, I will not hold you any longer. So the first thing you want to do, you want to start with either a bar of soap. I have not gotten into this yet, so this is purely for demonstration purposes. Or you want to start with a body wash or a body scrub. I don't have that in my possession right now, but it's good to start with a clean slate. So when I say a clean slate, by starting with bar soap or a body wash or body scrub, which means get your body clean first. Yes, get that clean. Get it clean. That's the first thing you need to do, because with that clean slate, whatever you do following that is going to catch on and absorb through your pores and your skin to absorb whatever scent you use. So this is a way of you laying the foundation to smell good all day. The next thing is you want to use complementary scents together. And I'm reading from a list. And you want to layer them accordingly. Examples. So I have here, now I have the matching body wash. I express my first impressions in my video here of what's in my shower. This is the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Body Cream from OGX. I absolutely love it. But I don't use this all the time when I get out of the shower. So I also have here, I do use the Argan Oil of Morocco lotion. So that tends to have a more loose texture than the body cream I showed you guys earlier. It's still moisturizing and I love how it feels. And if you get the shampoo and conditioner, whether you're using bundles or you're using it on your hair will feel like smooth butter and you will hardly ever want to do anything to it. I'm so serious. And this is what I started out with, coming out from a shower or a bath. I went back to back in the day how I used to layer my scents. This is the solid cocoa butter in the jar. Now I used to use it from a brand called Dax, D as in Delta, A as in Apple, X as in xylophone. And I'll show you guys better than I can tell you. You probably can't see it. But anywho, cocoa butter. Oh, that, you put that on first thing out of the shower, first thing out of the bathtub. That is already laying a very good foundation for your body mist and your perfume. So that is another good key. Now, another key to smelling good, and we're on the third step of this process. You want to use a perfume or a perfume oil. While I have maybe only a handful of perfume, the real stuff, because it is a spécial. I have recently got into perfume oils. This is from the brand, I don't know why I do that. No, you guys can't see it. It is from Sweet Essentials. It's a perfume oil in a spray bottle. Now, that's one of the things that I love about this particular company. They are based in North Carolina. And this is Amber Romance from Victoria's Secret. From Victoria, don't tell nobody. Nobody caught the joke. No. No. Okay. And the thing about perfume oils, they tend to last longer than actual real perfume. And it kind of gives you, the experience of having the real perfume without the cost. Now, this cost me about $8 a bottle. I'll tell you this Amber Romance smells identical. And I do mean identical to the Victoria's Secret Amber Romance Fragrance Mist. I kid you not. I tend to be really keen on different scents, and a particular scent I like. This smells, the original Victoria's Secret Amber Romance smells like Mandarin. I should have warned you. Go get the bag of chokes. Get them. Go get them. Are you going to go get them? Okay. No backsies. I tried. Yeah. So this perfume oil rendition of Victoria's Secret Amber Romance smells like mandarin oranges, and I don't even like oranges. It smells like mandarin oranges peeled, dipped in honey. There's no other way to explain it. You go get some oranges if you like some oranges. You go dip it in honey, and then you come back and tell me, do you want to smell like that? Anywho, Sweet Essentials, based in North Carolina. I ordered these off of eBay, and these are only the 2-ounce size. So the biggest size that they come in currently that I see is a 4-ounce. I am not regretting that, because I'm about to the bottom of one of them, called Midnight Poison. That's a Christian Dior. Ooh, expensive. Yes. And I've grown to really like this one, the Midnight Poison from Christian Dior. So this is a replica of that. So perfume oils are definitely going to be your best friend. They tend to last a lot longer than the actual perfume, and a lot longer than fragrance mist. The next thing you want to ensure is that you have a heavy duty. Yes. A very strong, don't have to be a strong smelling one, effective deodorant. Now, I used to start out with regular Secret, and I may have tried Dove a handful of times, but you know what? The way my armpits is set up, I went clinical. So this is Secret, almost said Suave. This is Secret Clinical Strength Invisible Solid, the stress response. I like this scent particularly. This is the solid, invisible solid, but they do have where you twist it up, and it's more like a creamy mixture that comes through several holes of the deodorant casing. That holds me together, and since it's a clinical strength, it really holds me together really well, even during this humidity that I live in. Yes, so make sure you have a very effective deodorant that will carry you throughout the day and even throughout the night if necessary. Get a very effective deodorant that carries you throughout your day and your night and 24 hours. Speaking of deodorant carrying you throughout your day or night or 24 hours, you want to also keep, this is for on the go. So this is the last part of how to smell good all day. Now this packaging is Summer's Eve nighttime cleansing cloths, but I do tend to carry them with me in my purse, and that's just to keep you fresh throughout the day as needed. You can use baby wipes. Baby wipes are really, really good. And this is where you want to save the fragrance mist for. So if you have a similar scent that is like close to the perfume oil or perfume that you're using, that I mentioned in the earlier steps, this is good to keep with you to refresh yourself throughout the day. Perfume and perfume oil is like to carry you throughout the day. To refresh yourself, I don't know, maybe you just going out on the workout or whatever, or you excessively sweat, or you live in a hot humidity, and you've already layered everything, and you're a person, you don't have room to carry the big bottle perfume, you don't feel like carrying the perfume oil. This is what I feel like fragrance mist and fragrance spray, body mist, potato, whatever you call it, is good for refreshing, as opposed to using it the first time that you get right out the shower and use a lotion or a body cream. This is good for refreshing and taking this with you, because body sprays and body mist, they tend to be a smaller size and they tend to be more travel friendly, as opposed to perfume oils, and especially perfumes, the authentic ones. Now this is from, you have to buy this online because you don't see too much of it in stores. And I've had the blessing of being able to try this and one other fragrance in the line, but it is pretty strong to be a body spray. So this is from Sexiest Fantasies Fireworks. So it says it's a burst of I won't read the full description. I'm going to tell you the notes that are in it. So the strawberries, succulent peaches, and vanilla. You want to pep in your step. You want to be all the way live. You want some sway in your hay. Sway in your hay. This is really, really good. And I'll tell you another one, and it smells more like it's masculine, but it's marketed to women. From this same brand, there is one called Va Va Voom. V-A-V-A Voom. That is Mexican chocolate and rum. The smell, those are the notes that are in it. I regret to this day giving it away like I did. Yeah, I sure did. Because that's more of an evening scent, go out on a date. Okay, and you don't have to miss a lot of this or that Va Va Voom, which I've not been able to find online. I really regret it. I had a full bottle of it. You don't have to miss too much, because the formula it's made with, it lasts a while and it lingers in your clothes. I mean, I'm almost ashamed to say that it is a body spray, because it is of high quality, as opposed to many of the other body sprays and just fragrance mists that I've tried. Perfumes, perfume oils, body sprays, they all have their own degrees of strength and purposes that they should be used for. Perfume, you want to last throughout the day and carry you throughout the day. Maybe it's for a special event. Maybe it's to hang out. Maybe it's just because it gives you a pick-me-up. It put a pep in your step. It give you a sway in your hay. Perfume oil is like, okay, I want this to stay on me long after I get on throughout the day and refreshing and change clothes and shower again. And then we have fragrance mist. That's to refresh you throughout the day and carry you throughout the rest of the day. It's like it's almost like what pressed powder is with your makeup. It's to touch you up until you can get home and, you know, really wash it off your face. That's what fragrance mist is. Body spray. It freshens you for a little bit as needed until you can come back home and wipe the slate clean with a bar of soap or body wash and start the process all over again. And that is how to smell good all day, and also my 2020 hygiene routine. And until next time, and until the next video,